Hi guys, so this is gonna be my first YouTube video for our Shinaimall.com YouTube channel. So I had some questions from beginner Kendo cause asking how to untie the Shinai, disassemble it. And there's a lot of video out there, but we decided we'll get involved and start showing you how to do these two. This is our Ji-Dobari, the Jissengata Dobari 39A grade. I've been using it for probably about 10 practices. Still holding up pretty strong, but you know, over the use, it did start getting loose a bit. And what I do tell a lot of my friends is to really get out of the Shinai, its life, once in a while, flip everything over so that you can use both sides of the Shinai and save some money before you come to us and buy a new Shinai. So I'm going to try to do this slowly, how to untie it, and then we're going to take everything off, then retie it, okay? There's a lot of special tools out there for Shinai maintenance. I just stick to good old pliers and a screwdriver. I just think it's good enough. But here we go. So what I like to do personally is untie the nakayui first. Now this one's pretty loose, but you know, I kind of nudge it in. Make sure I don't damage the string. And then just follow the knot. Okay. Boom. Okay, I'm gonna slow it down a bit so that those of you following on the video can do this easily. But you know, untying is a little easier. Okay, so untie it, nice and loose. At the bottom here, usually a bit tighter. I do this a little gently so I don't damage the string. Okay. And just nudge it around a little. And it's out. Then again, just follow the string, take it out. Okay. So, sorry, this is my first time doing this while I'm recording. I'm trying to do it slowly. I got fat fingers. If I ever do a better one, I swear I'll share it with you. Okay, just fish everything out there. And then our Shinais have this little leather piece that holds the string. I'll take everything out of it. Okay, and then now the string's so loose, take everything off, take the stopper off. I'll put that aside for now. And then tsuka, go yank. Usually I do this wearing some gloves. It just makes it easier. But hold on. Okay. Nudged it. Give it a good old pull. find my gloves to do this. Okay, I got it out. Okay, then let's have a look. Circular grip, so coming loose. What I like to do is just, while I'm at it, I'll just go down the Shinai, see if I have any cracks. Nope. Great. All good. Okay. So, usually this is a little metal piece here. Just line it up. I'll do another video later when a piece cracks and we're gonna replace the whole thing. Okay. So, put the Shinai together. Get my little rubber piece back. Just put there so it holds it in place. Okay. Then I'm just gonna put this on there so it holds it. Okay, so we're now Shinai. The logo was on the left side. What I'm gonna do is flip it upside down so I can use the other side for the next keiko. Okay, get my tsuka, put it in there, just flipping everything out. I wish I had one of those machines. Okay, this is really tight. I don't recommend you banging on the ground like I did, but the purpose of this video is to show you that we're gonna switch it upside down. Okay. So now the string. This is how we do this. So at the end of the tsuka, we have a little leather loop that we untie, right? So we're gonna pull the string in here and pull it nice and tight. Not too tight, so if you tend to pull this really tight, the Shinai will start bending. It's snug enough, okay? Hold the nakayui there. Okay, and then while doing so, what I'm gonna do is just squish this leather piece. And I'll just feed it through, okay? This is where my good old screwdriver. Just make some space in there. Hey, don't judge. I sell Shinais, I don't build them. Okay. So after we feed it through here, feed it through there, give it a snug pull. I mentioned this just now. Too tight and the Shinai will start bending. So just good enough. So nice. Everything's nice and tight. And then after we pull it through, I hold it down with my thumb, the center line, and then feed it through here. Okay, pull that out, and then feed it through here. Okay, now just continue to give it a nice pull. And then jack it upwards like that. Hold it with my thumb. And then I like to go under all the strings, under everything here. Feed the string through and pull it down. Okay, now I created this little nice loop. And then what I do is start spiraling it up. What I found helpful is just to stick a tsuba in there so it creates a little bit of space. Okay, and then just start feeding the string under, over, pull it. Make sure the gap is nice and tight. Okay, do another one. That. Make it look pretty. Two. Sorry, I'm trying to watch the camera, hold this thing in mid-air, but just get a general idea, okay? As I said, I'm not the only one that knows how to do this. There's a lot of videos out there. I just hope this helps a little. Then when it gets started short, what I do is just tuck it in there to make a knot. Okay. Yeah, once it's there, I'll take my trusted husky pliers, hold it gently. Well, gently enough. Give it a pull. And I'll probably trim this off with scissors. Okay, I'll cut it. I don't want it dangling. Okay, there we go. There's some people out there that can do this really pretty, but tonight I'm just gonna. Okay, so nakayui. I remember when I first started doing this, first started Kendo. This was always tricky. Just a hand length. I would get exact measurements and do this. As I said, just for the purpose of showing you how to do this. Okay. So once you got your distance, you get your leather piece. I like to hold the shinai firm with my thumb like that. And I personally like to push it a little to the left so I have some room. Okay. And then go around and we're gonna spiral upwards. Okay. One. Nice and tight. Two. So 1, 2. As I go around, so this is what we're gonna do. Yeah, go over the string, under. Okay. Over and under the string, reach in, and you pull the leather strap through. Make sure it's not twisted, and then flip it over. Go under the string here again, ever so slowly. Go under this guy and pull upwards. Give it a nice pull, snug. Okay, now we're gonna lift this string up, put it back in. Okay, and you repeat it. You go in there like that. Pull. All right, it's pretty much done. Take my scissors. I literally saw some friends cut the string off when they do this. Be careful, okay? And then give it a nice angle. Soup. Now I can get some more life out of this shinai because I flipped it upside down. I didn't find any cracks in it. Please, I cannot emphasize this enough during at my dojo to my beginners and advanced for shinai care to avoid splinters, cracks. Please don't tape up your shinai and just use it. It's so dangerous, okay? All right, there we go. I'm gonna go have fun with this for another couple practices. Thanks for watching, and I will try and make better videos next time. Forgive me, this was my very first video. Okay. Happy Keiko.